Hello everybody, welcome to part 2. If you watched part 1, you already know who I am. Anyway, now let's begin with the show. Right now, we are going to do a common error in chapter 3 of your textbook, which is using the equal sign instead of the equal to compare primitive value. Now, the equal sign is the assignment operator, and the equal tests for equality in your Java code. So let's begin with one of the errors here. Now we have your public static string. Now let's try int. Your month equals to 2. And then we create this the same. So this is your coding. Now in here, wrong error is if. Now in here we put system.out and the print method. And then we put in our code February has 29 days this year. Now we put this one as in our Java application. What's the error? As you see, it's the equal sign. So then we put that equal and another equal. And then we run this as the Java application. But I didn't know anything. I don't know what's wrong with the code. Let's see the error. Strange. Usually it's supposed to be equal, but since it's like that, who knows? Alright. Now let's go to another problem that we have. And it's the misspelled keywords. Now we're gonna do then the public hello class. Now we can go to our A2. And our string would be okay. Now we will continue the writing semicolon at the end of an if clause. Now, how do we do that? We write int of I equal to 10. And then we write our if statement, which is does I equal to 10, and then we show our error. Then we change the name in here and we write it is here. And then we run our program. Let's see what they are here. I don't know what else, but usually this at a semicolon should not be here because they were supposed to tell you that this will become empty. So then if you try to delete that, alright, let's try this again. Maybe the else that gives you a problem. You can see you have a semicolon here. That will tell you that's what. Okay, but instead of spending time on this, let's move on to forgetting the semicolon at the end of the statement, which is hold on. Ah. As you can see here, I'm most advanced in the code, and we write hello world. Alright, then we run it in our coding. And it says error. You wanna know why? Because there's no semicolon. And the semicolon helps to provide our code. Okay, thank you so much. I hope that you enjoy our time with our class, and I hope that you have a good day.